G'day there, it's Glenn here from Your Next Car in Officer, and what I'm going to do today is take you for a quick walk around tour of our 2019 HILUX SR in the extra cab 4x4 cab chassis, which has been fitted with a beautiful high drive body on the rear. Car is currently running, so you can hear it throughout the video. The reason we do those videos is to give you a really good understanding of the car you're looking at with us. Is in great condition, as you'll see from the photos on our website also as well. So we'll start from the driver's side of the car, we'll work our way around. I'll take you through the interior as well. Sorry to be a little bit dewy this morning from the cold morning we've had, but just so we can show you the actual condition of the vehicle. Nothing paint related, which is good, but I apologise, a little bit of dew there, but nothing that I can point out that's going to scare you away, scratch related anyway. Side steps are in great order again. Back to your extra cab or your super cab section of the door again. Really clean condition. Again, I will take you through the interior and through the body as well as we walk around. But as you'll see, overall condition of that driver's side is in fantastic condition. Coming back to your front guard area, really clean condition again. No damage on the actual car itself. Set of BF Goodrich all-terrains fitted on the vehicle as well. So plenty of left and no tread and nose tyres. Your steel rims are in great condition again. Again, your UHF area, which is the UHF is inside the vehicle. And also your steel bull bar, which has been fitted to the car as well. Again, really clean condition all the way around. Again, hopefully you can hear the video, or in the video, the engine running as well. So purrs really well, really good condition as you'll see as we head around. Sorry the shadow in the background of me, but I'll try and get out of that shadow again with a tip. Again, front guard area, tyre again, plenty of tread off of that tyre and your steel rim. I'll try and get the shadow in the sun there, and I'll flip my way around, it might be easier. Back to your tyre again and your front guard. Again, really clean condition. Tyres in great order as well. Coming back to your interior wise, this side of the driver passenger side. Again, panel work. Can't talk today. The front panel on that driver's passenger front door. So passenger front door, not the driver's side. And then your extra cab section on the passenger side. Again, sorry about the shadow there. But again, no damage that I can physically see. Very, very clean. Again, your side steps are in good order also. No damage on those side steps. And then coming back to your rear tyre again, which is your BF Goodrich all-terrains in great quality. But it's really all about the box, guys. So your high drive box, which is on the rear, again, presents really, really well. No damage on that high drive box. We'll open the doors in a tick just to show you through interior-wise as well. So we'll lift that one up. So interior-wise, you do have your 12-volt plugs. Again, these have been photoed on our website as well. Your internal vise, which is there. So it's a perfect tradesman body. And the good thing, sometimes they have a lot of shelves. This one's quite basic, so really good for storage, keeping all your tooling safe, and also dry interior-wise as well. Your rubber mat on the flooring. Again, plenty of room in that section. Coming to the back end of the body, does have your reverse sensors fitted, which are the lower sensors just beneath there. Also has a tow bar, and again, to open that rear door. Again, condition-wise, it's phenomenal. Storage is great, so plenty of room in there in the back section again. But the good thing is they're central locked and they're fully lockable, which is a handy bit. Easy as that, just to lock it. And then we'll head along the driver's side. Again, sorry that sun glare. Just the exterior of the box, again, really clean condition. And we'll open that side up again, just to show through interior-wise again. Again, presents really, really well. But these high drive bodies aren't the cheapest bodies to buy. They're quite expensive. We're lucky that we've had a couple of these in the last couple of weeks. They do sell quite quickly. Perfect for that tradie as well. Again, your all-terrain tyre in great condition again, but perfect for that tradie or business style to keep all your tooling nice and dry and clean, and the main thing is safe as well. So going through the interior, we'll start from the door card on the driver's side. In really clean condition. To your seating, sorry about the sun glare there. Your seats are in great order. So your driver's seat and passenger seat also. Really clean condition. And I'll open that extra cab section door. So open your door interior wise for your extra cab. One handle just on the side. So driver and passenger work the same way. Again, your door card and that extra cab section. No damage there. And we're seating in the rear. Sorry about the sun glare again. No damage on the seats. The door card, and then behind your seats also, so there's no damage on the cloth interior. Vinyl floor with the SRs as well, so I do have the vinyl flooring. Again, no damage on the vinyl flooring. I'll head down so you can see that as well, so really clean condition. We'll shut that door. I will hop in the car just to give you the correct Ks as well, so you know what the kilometres are. And we'll hopefully get a bit of that sun glare. No, I've still got the sun glare. So current kilometres as we speak is 185,187. Over to your stereo system, you do have your satellite navigation, which is standard in that series. You've got your audio, which is AM, FM radio, so FM. Bluetooth capabilities also as well. With your reverse camera, automatically comes up as a reverse camera as soon as you select reverse. So nice and basic. And again, it is Bluetooth compatible for your phones and such. So again, it's all just touch screen. Beneath that is your heating and air conditioning. Now turn that volume down because the radio's going on now. So heating and air conditioning, UHF radio, which is just there. And then coming back down beneath that is your automatic transmission, your cup holders and such. So it presents really, really well. Coming across to your steering wheel, do have your volume control, Bluetooth buttons on the right hand side, your cruise control, which is your radar cruise, which your cruise control is here, but your radar scenario is here with your blind spot monitoring as well. And then your electric mirrors and power windows. So as you'll see, really good condition, but it's basically all about the body. Your body on the rear is probably the best thing about this HILUX. Extra cabs, probably the next thing. You don't see many extra cabs anymore. Then most of them will be dual cabs. So extra cabs, we don't get as many as we'd like to, but majority will be dual cabs. So if you have any questions in relation to this vehicle or anything else we have here in office at Your Next Car, again, please don't hesitate to touch base with us here at the dealership. You can speak to either Andrew or myself. We'll both look after you very, very well. But again, thank you for taking the time to watch our video, and hopefully we've found the right HILUX for you. Have a great day.